Hey everybody, we're back on Cindy's Coronet. Made a panel for the taillight. We had, if you recall, a lot of trouble finding a taillight bucket for this car. 2 times we got the wrong one shipped to us, and the 3rd time I said we'll just make it. So if you look down here, we've basically fabricated a panel that's exactly like this side, so we can put our taillight and taillight bucket in there. Just basically a little bit of sheet metal work and bend, cut, drill, and get it fitted in there. Now we'll tack it in place and get that ready to go. We've got quarter panels left to finish out on this car as far as body work goes, but there's no more metal work to be done after this. So we're good on that. And then I want to show you something that we got up here. You can hold it for a minute. So we know how much you guys all like unboxing videos, so we just got this box today from, here we got to undo that side too, from Performance Unlimited in Melbourne, Florida. This is for the 56 Cadillac. If you've been not paying attention and you're wondering what we're going to do to it, this is one of the things that we're going to do to it.
Dang, you got your
blade on you? Where's that nice little fancy knife you got? That's a nice gift. There's some wires right here.
Yeah, I don't want to cut that stuff. We got to get a shrink wrapper. It's kind of neat. Boom. So there we go. Beauty. So that would be our brand new 540 horsepower LS6 that's going in the 56 Cadillac. We've already got a built 4L60 for it. This comes with the Holley Terminator fuel injection, Terminator engine management, the harness, everything. This is basically going to be a plug and play when we get the stub chassis, the front suspension that we're buying for it. But there you go. That's what a whole bunch of money will buy you. But we're going to have Joe link the video so you can see this on the dyno running. It's going to be pretty stout for a 56 Cadillac. It's going to be all that you need. And it's easy for us. It's done. We're putting it in. But we've got another one we're building very similar to this. I'm excited about this, but I'm more excited about that one because that one we get to whoop on. But there you go. We've been waiting on this forever. It took them forever to build it. But that's just the way it is. It takes time to get this stuff done. So they're done with it now. We've got it in our hot little hands. So we'll bag it and put it away. And you could have sent us the wheels for that. You know, they had to buy the stand. I can't imagine where. Maybe the wheels are in here. I doubt it. got Holly stuff, some more Holly stuff, stickers. You all know how much I like stickers. But no wheels to our engine cradle. But that's okay because they didn't even tell me the engine cradle was going to be included. And that's awesome that we now have an LS engine cradle. So we'll go to Lowe's, buy some wheels, and make it good. So, but there it is. That's a pretty motor. That's going to look nice in that car. It's going to drive super, super nice for them. It's going to be a pretty slick setup. But there you go. That's that. Hey everybody, things happen quickly. I potentially made a deal on this truck, so we're gonna fast track this one. Actually, Matt is.
Fast track it.
Come on over here. I'll show you some of the stuff we already did. Put a small patch in over here. It really didn't have, I mean, the truck's got this cab corner and a little spot on the other rocker panel, and that spot on the floor had a little bit of rust. Otherwise, the truck's super clean. Yesterday, the guys swapped out the new tailgate, put the sport bumpers on it because they don't like step bumpers, so we got rid of that. Put the tailgate on it, getting it cleaned up. Holly is coming through finally with the parts that we need for the motor, so that'll be done. And we got the Stig working on Cindy's coronet right now. Had a dent over here that somebody just filled with filler. I already showed you we did mocked up. He made that taillight bucket over there because we just simply weren't able to get one. Finishing with the roof, there's a couple of welds on there. We did use glue, basically, panel bond, to put most of the roof on. We've welded around the window channels, but in the rain gutter we use panel bond because you're less susceptible to warp in, and it just was easier and made a lot less mess. But you can see he's got everything's lined up. So we got to lower the front of it a little bit, but it's very close. He's just finishing up some welds that when we put the car away, we hadn't finished them. That we're doing.
We're here with El Blanco Grande, I think the name is. But got this rocker here.
A little big dummy.
Little big dummy. Oh, that's right. Yeah, my bad.
A Blanco Grande is
that one right there. Yeah. I get them all confused. Just another vehicle. But you see all these little holes here? Rusted out. So we're gonna replace it with this rocker here. I'm only gonna do a section. It's all pretty solid. I don't know why it's just this little spot here, but if you come on in here and also look, see, you got let me show you something. Take your little put your safety glasses on. Right there. See that little spot with the paint in it? That's the spot weld. And you just sand it down like that and you'll find them. You take your grinder. I need some drink. Take your grinder here. And grind it out until you get all the way through the first layer. There's another one behind here. And then once you do that, you take your pair of pliers, whatever you got, pop it off there. Like I did. Take your screwdriver, stick it in there. It's all loose. See that? that. That's what you want. You don't want to go all the way through both layers though. So then I'll take my cutoff wheel here that y'all are stepping on. And let me show you. I had to find me a Sharpie. Lost my other. But I normally wouldn't draw on it at this point. I'm just doing this to show y'all where I'm gonna cut. But I'm gonna cut down through there like that. I might come on over to the other side of this spot where I cut down like that. And I'll come up here, cut down in that groove. Yeah. And come back down. Right there. And do that with my cutoff wheel. Just like that. I'll go ahead and do that. Film. Welded it. Just like it. Body lines here, cut just below it. So on this one, I'm gonna cut just above it. About right there. This is where I'll be cutting. And tell you what, let me What's up, everybody? We're back with a little big dummy. As you can see here, I got her all welded up and ground down. And I think I'm gonna fill that in a little bit and grind it down, and I should be done. I'll do a little bit of Bondo work on it and sand it down. Should be ready. Yeah. That's it.